Welcome to Elite Service Search. Let's get your business registered and your profile set up in just a few simple steps. Click Get Started at the bottom of the page. Fill in your business details, including your name, email, and a secure password. Once done, click Submit to create your account. Check your email for a verification link and click the link to verify your account. After that, you'll need to set up your business profile. Start by adding your business name, location, services, and a detailed description. Choose the subscription plan that suits you best and proceed to purchase by simply entering your card details. Don't forget to upload any required licenses. Once your details are verified, you're good to go. You can easily edit your profile by clicking on your name and selecting Profile. From there, you can update your business information anytime. Additionally, you can manage job posts and find employees to help turn your business into a collaborative team platform. We're here to help your business grow and connect with customers effortlessly. For more information, visit EliteServiceSearch.com and get started today.